Hello again, loves. Rebecca here, back with another Erica Rose design team layout. So she's ericarosecreates.com. Here is one of her latest stamp sets. It's from the summer release. She's got some fall and Halloween stamps coming out. We're going to use this one, maybe. And I'm going to use this A Good Day Sunshine cut file from Erica, along with the Fancy Pants Memory Lane collection. So, got lots of stuff to potentially use today. This. Got some puffy stickers, some enamel dots, all kinds of tags, some titles. And here's some scraps. We gotta figure out what we want to use with the cut file. Ooh. Alright, right off the bat, I'm gonna go ahead and use that. We'll use that scrap. Ooh, got a mess going here, people. Got a mess going. And I think we could pull off using the keys to back the starburst. Maybe the pears. Yep. Alright, so we're going to do that. So we'll take this. And put that back up. I also have to find a photo. I don't have a photo yet, which is a-okay. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim and mat. I'm going to do that. I'm going to gut that. Let's see what kind of photos we have. From a birch crop. Plus Anne. Oh, I wonder, did I already? Oh, let's do that one. It's me, my bestie from the northern Midwesty, Jamie, and her mommy, Jean. We went to a liquor store, and then we took a picture in front of the eagle. So, I think we can probably tuck that in there like that. Actually, I like the exact placement of that. That's probably where we'll put that. So, give me a minute to go ahead and get this stuff done, go through this, pull out some ephemera, and I'll be right back. Alright, we have got a little bit done. It is stuck down, and I think I'm a little off, but we're going to go with it. So, we've pulled these items. And we're going to use a little Love You More. We're going to stick that right here. And so we've got these tags. I don't actually. Let's take this guy. And just pop it right, pop this one right there. Bring out that, so get some random twine. And we're gonna get stuck in here. Okay. Okay. And just kind of pull them tight. Okay, so we're not going to use those. Use this little tree. We're gonna go ahead and tuck it right there. Okay. Let's go with this floral. It's gonna be minimal. Oh, that's cute. So I did pop it all up on some foam. Let's go ahead and stick that little mushroom there. We're gonna put the grateful right here, make a little bit of a cluster going on. Because there's a bird, I just thought it would be funny to get a bird in here somewhere, but I'll pop him right there as well. Yeah, because the eagle there. And let's tuck that flower there. And actually like that one there. Put the little mushroom with the bird. And we gotta get some, okay. Stick a little house in there. Good day together. Got a little arrow in there. Let's see. Don't want to put two cameras there, so let's put a camera. Excuse me. Well, that's not gonna work. We do have a little butterfly, or a moth, not really a butterfly. Okay. And then excuse me, I've been battling. Okay. Yeah, once I start coughing, it's pretty bad. Alright, that's going to do it for today's layout. So I didn't get any of these stamps on there, but please don't forget to check out the shop, pick up some of the fun new releases, get the cut files. I've got a trim over here just a smidge. And I will see you guys later with another video. Thanks for hanging out today. Bye for now.